So what we have here is an animation of the fossil shrimp Casculus ravitus, and this animation was put together through a lot of detailed work by the team. In particular, Derek Civita and Caroline Lewis of Oxford University, Mark Sutton at Imperial College London, Derek Briggs at Yale University, and David Legg, latterly of Oxford University, and myself. The different parts of the animal are picked out in different colours, and the first thing to note is that it's so beautifully preserved. In 3 dimensions, there is no compaction whatsoever, and these very long green thread-like structures along the whole length of the animal are micron-wide threads coming from the first limb. We've coloured the eyes in red, and you can see them here beautifully preserved at the front of the animal. And they're large and preserved on stalks, and they actually had all-round vision, so they could see in front of them and down and to some extent above and behind. The appendages are preserved in beautiful detail. There are 5 pairs on the head and a battery of appendages behind. And they're rather complicated actually, they're not simple. You can see here parts of individual appendages which look as if they might be used as legs. Certainly these brightly coloured paddle-like parts of the appendages were probably used in that way as paddles for locomotion, but also by comparison with modern relatives of this animal, modern crustaceans, these paddle-like structures, some of them may have been used for respiration. These large paddle-like areas, very delicate, would have maximised oxygen uptake in the environment in which they lived. And it's a very nice animal adapted to its environment.